Jai Hind. Hello, my dear viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Genuine Funda. Today, I am going to discuss some important basic mathematical points like as short notes of fractions. Continue fraction. A fraction of infinite length whose denominator is a quantity plus a fraction. Example, 2 minus third bracket of 2 division, a second bracket of 2 minus first bracket of 2 division 3 minus 2 and 6 by 7 bracket close. Also example, 4 plus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 minus half. Some example of continued fraction. Part 1. Example, 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1 by 7 equal what? Short tricks. 2 step number added after 1 and 7. 1 by 7, write 1, 7 and 1 plus 7 equal 8 and 7 plus 8 equal 15. Applying Fibonacci series equal 8 by 15. This 8 by 15 equal 1 plus 1 into 8 by 15. This 1 plus equal 23 by 15. Answer. Example, 1 by 1 plus this problem equal what? Short tricks. 6 step number added after 1 and 3. 6 step, that means 1 step, 2 step, 3 step, 4 step, 5 step, 6 step. 1 by 3, write 1, 3 and 1 plus 3 equal 4 and 3 plus 4 equal 7 and 4 plus 7 equal 11 and 7 plus 11 equal 18 and 11 plus 18 equal 29 and 18 plus 29 equal 47. Applying Fibonacci series. So answer is 29 by 47. This 29 by 47. Similarly, 1 by 1 plus this problem equal what? Answer is 21 by 34. Example, 4 minus 5 by 1 plus this problem equal what? Short tricks. 4 step number added after 2 and 3. 4 step, that means 1 step, 2 step, 3 step, 4 step. 2 by 3, write 2, 3 and 2 plus 3 equal 5 and 3 plus 5 equal 8 and 5 plus 8 equal 13 and 8 plus 13 equal 21 equal 13 by 21. This 13 by 21. Therefore, 4 minus 5 into 13 by 21. This 4 minus 5, this 5 into this number equal 4 minus 65 by 21. equal 19 by 21. This is answer. Example, 1 plus 1 by 1 plus this problem equal what? Short tricks. 3-step number added after 4 and 5. 4 by 5, write 4, 5. 4 plus 5 equal 9. And 5 into 3. 5 into this 3 plus 9 into 2. This 9 into 2, this 2 equal 33. And 9 into 2, 9, this 9, 2, this 2 plus 33, this 33 into 1, this 1 equal 51, equal 33 by 51 equal 11 by 17. Therefore 1 plus 11 by 17 equal 28 by 17. Answer. Some example of continued fraction part 2. Example, 1 minus 1 by 1 minus 1 by 1 minus 1 by 1 minus 5 by 6 equal what? Short tricks. 4-step number added after 5 and 6. 5 by 6, write 5, 6. 6 minus 5 equal 1. And 1 minus 6 equal minus 5. And minus 5 minus 1 equal minus 6. And minus 6 minus bracket minus 5 equal 1 equal 1 by 6. Answer. Example, 1 by 1 minus this problem equal what? Short tricks. 4-step number added after 2 and 3. 2 by 3, write 2, 3. And 3 minus 2 equal 1. And 1 minus 3 equal minus 2. And minus 2 minus 1 equal minus 3. And minus 3 minus bracket minus 2 equal minus 1 equal minus 3 by minus 1 equal 3. Answer is 3. Similarly, 1 by 1 minus this problem equal what? Answer is 4 by 3. Example of continued fraction part 3. Example, 1 plus 1 by 1 minus this problem equal what? Short tricks. 5-step number added after 3 and 5. 3 by 5 we write 3, 5. And 3 plus 5 equal 8. And 8 minus 5 equal 3. Minus, that means this minus. And 8 plus 3 equal 11. And 11 minus 3 equal 8. Minus, that means this minus. And 11 plus 8 equal 19. Equal 19 by 8 equal 2 of 3 by 8. Answer. Example of continuous fraction part 4. Example 4 by 3 plus 4 by 3 plus this problem equal what? Short tricks. Let P equal this problem or P equal 4 by 3 plus P. 4 by 3 plus same problem. So we write P or 3P plus P square equal 4 or P square plus 3P minus 4 equal 0 or P square plus 4P minus P. Middle term of 4, that means 1 into 4. 1 into 4, that means 4 minus 1 equal 3. So write 4P minus P minus 4 equal 0. Also finding common term of two number. Common term is P. So write P bracket P plus 4 and finding common term of P minus 4. Common term is minus 1. So common minus 1 and bracket P plus 4 equal 0 or P plus 4 common and write P minus 1 also common equal 0. Either P plus 4 equal 0 or P minus 1 equal 0 or P not equal minus 4 or P equal 1. So answer is P equal 1. Some example of continuous fraction part 5. Example 2 plus this problem equal what? Short tricks. Let P equal 2 plus this problem or P equal 2 plus P by 3. P. This is P formation or P equal 6 plus P by 3 or 3P equal 6 plus P or 3P minus P equal 6 or 3P minus P equal 2P equal 6 or P equal 3. Answer P equal 3. Similarly, 3 plus this problem equal what? Answer is 4. Thank you for watching my video. If you want to soft copy of this video, then check the description box and click the link to get PDF file. Next time I will discuss more informative mathematical video. My dear viewers, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Also likes, comments and share.